Welcome to Creative Technology. In this tutorial I will show you how to deactivate your Windows 10 activation. Let's start. At first check my Windows activation. My Windows is already activated. Go to Start menu. Type CMD. In this search results, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. A command panel appeared. In this panel type slmgr/upk. Wait some while. A confirmation message uninstalled product key successfully. It means your activation successfully removed. To confirm your Windows deactivation, go to Properties of your PC. Check you have successfully deactivated your Windows 10 activation. Thanks for watching.